This is the part in the ice cream truck. My bad. This is one lot. Second lot would be one more time. Check it out by the way. Northwest. This land. Second lot would be right here. You kind of have to visualize a little bit. Once again, all the homes here are very small. So the third lot would be divided like right there. Right there. And get rid of the shrubbery to build part of it on this way. Alright, so this is the 2012 Piru, East Piru. My friend right here. Looks like it's in good condition. But this would be like one lot right here. One lot. This is about normal for this neighborhood. Very narrow. Here's another. And this is the garage dwelling unit. I don't know if people are living there or this is just the garage the way it is. This would be another lot. Like half the garage would be another lot. And then third lot would be the other half of this. We shave off all the trees, the hedges. This would be the third lot. Shave off the trees. Yeah. Get rid of all the trees. We can't see the inside of the house yet, but this is the way the house looks right now. We could keep the structure, exterior, and just rehab the inside. Rehab the inside. 2 stories. Hi, how's it going? Hi, are you the security guard?
Well, I work security, but we're doing house sitting.
Hmm? Yeah?
I don't know what the space is for.
What is this for? Just storage, I guess. To build a closet or something. We do have a closet here though. Maybe expand the bedroom or that bedroom. Bathroom upstairs. Closet.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
They wasn't
Cool.
anything right.
No, they just wanted everybody out.
Oh.
They expected everybody, but they didn't want to leave.
Slight creek. Bedroom number 2. Oh, pretty deep closet. Goes up pretty deep. Yeah. Kitchen. Maybe open it up. Living room right here. Yeah, a little space for laundry. This is the laundry room. Pretty big. Pretty nice. From living room to the kitchen. And then which leads to the last room. has a little more storage space to the last bedroom.
4-bedroom. 4-bedroom.
Let's try the private bathroom.